Hello everyone. In this video, we are going to discuss about circular linked list. This is the basic outline of this video. This video consists of an introduction to a circular linked list, abstract data types, that is create, display, insert, delete, reverse display and search. In this particular video, we are going to discuss only about create. Remaining we will discuss in the upcoming videos. Now let us see what is meant by a circular linked list. In circular linked list, it consists of a particular node where each node has two fields. One is data field and the next one is address of the memory. This data field can be of integer format or string or a character, etc. This address field, it stores the address of the next corresponding node. So in circular linked list, for the last node, the address is corresponds to the first node. Now let us see what the definition of circular linked list. In a circle linked list, each node has just one pointer called the next pointer. The next pointer of the last node points back to the first node, and this results in forming a circle. In this type of linked list, we can only move through the list in one direction. So this is the definition of circle linked list. Now let us see how to create a circle linked list. So before creating, let us we must understand what is meant by malloc. This malloc is used to create a particular node. So observe the syntax of the malloc. So by using malloc, the empty node is created. The list has no null link at the end. That is, the last node connects back to the first node. And also while creating the list, the last node is continuously updated to maintain the circular connection. So let us understand clearly with the help of an example. So if we want to create a circular linked list with 10, 30, 20 and 30, that is we have total 4 number of elements. So we will use for loop or while loop up to 4 iterations. And also we will also consider one pointer variable, that is last. Initially the last has a null value. So in the first iteration we are inserting 10. So step 1, use malloc. While using malloc, the empty node is created. And step 2, scan the input element. That is, we will scan the 10. And step 3, if null is last, the address will be corresponding to the itself. So these are the 3 steps. Now let us see the second iteration. So now last corresponds to the first node. So in the second iteration, if we are inserting 30, step 1, create an empty node using malloc. Step 2, scan the input element. That is, we will scan 30. Step 3, if start is equal to null, here, here last is not equal to null. So the address corresponds to the first node. And also the previous node, the address also should be updated. So in the third iteration, by using malloc, we will create an empty node. So for the third iteration, we will create an empty node using malloc. Similarly, second step, we will scan the input element, that is 20. And the step 3, the address of the last node corresponds to the first node, and also the previous node address also should be updated, and the last pointer variable should be updated. So for the fourth iteration, we will create an empty node using malloc. We will scan the input element, that is 60. The address of the particular node, that is last node, should be corresponds to the first node, and similarly the address of node 20 should be updated, and we will change the pointer variable. So these are the steps we will follow while creating a circular linked list. So the final circular linked list will be of this format. Observe the figure. Now let us write the C program for this.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. Everything I do so instinctive and so passionate. Every word I move so descriptive like an adjective. I got a vendetta against people who patented being negative when you should be getting after it. I got facts over tracks, this and that. Spitting slow, spitting fast. I could roast, I could gas. Think I'm okay at last, but I don't know if that can erase all the past. And the pettiness, a reflection of the emptiness. Hilarious, you think you're worth my time, you're delirious. Mysterious, because you hide behind a fake exterior. Inferior, you know I'll always be a bit superior. Get off of me, this ain't no humble brag. I want you to hear words, you can say them back. I want you to feel free from the chains at last, and to believe in what you got, it was built to last, yeah. Now that I've been put through hell, I never got anyone's help. I had to do it all myself. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. Gonna learn the consequence of being incompetent. Mental health is confidence, dreams and some honestness. I'm not here to save the day, that's for you to take away. I could play a million mind games, but instead I say something not illogical, something that is topical. Rub it on and watch it go, make yourself unstoppable. Dreams are irresponsible, but they're always possible. If you just believe, you could be so remarkable. Thoughts in my head, a collage and they spread. I'll be great one day, going off of my meds. No, I'm not giving up, no, I'm not giving in. I will make it to the top, taking off in the wind. I gotta make it, I'm saving every day to taste it. I'm patient.
So this is the C program for creating a circular linked list. Observe the code. So in the create function, first we will scan the total number of elements. Here n scans the total number of elements. So for n, so if we scan 4, this for loop runs up to 4 iterations. So in the for loop, step 1, we created an empty node using malloc function. Step 2, we scanned the input variable. So it may be 10, 30 or 60, whatever it may be. So step 3, if last equal to null, so for the first iteration, the last will always be null. So if last is equal to null, the last will be assigned to the temp variable. This last of link will be of temp. So here temp stores the empty node. So for the next iteration, the temp of link will be last. Similarly, the previous node, that is last of link, will be assigned to the temp. Similarly, the last gets updated to the temp. So this is the code for creating a circular linked list. So thank you for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe to our channel. If you have any doubts regarding creation of a circular linked list, please comment below. Thank you for watching.